Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. I am Rachit Singh, a desktop support engineer. Today I will show you how to fix the Wi-Fi option missing issue on your laptop or PC. Let's get started. This issue usually happens when the Wi-Fi driver is disabled, missing or corrupted. In this video I will show you how to fix in step by step. Let me open a browser and show you. As you can see, the internet is not working because the Wi-Fi is unavailable. As you can see, the Wi-Fi is not working on my laptop. Now let's fix the problem step by step on this video. Now I will open device manager and refresh the hardware. In some cases the Wi-Fi adapter repairs after a refresh. Now let's check whether the Wi-Fi driver is showing in device manager or not. As you can see, the Wi-Fi driver is now showing in device manager. Now I will connect the laptop to a Wi-Fi network. Now let me open a website in the browser to confirm that the internet is working properly. Now I will open the browser and search for our website to test the internet connection. As you can see, the internet is now working perfectly. Thanks for watching this video. If you found it helpful, please like, share and subscribe to the channel.